he'll probably bottom out. Oh. Welcome back to Duckman Cycles and VW Garage. I'm your host, the Duckman. And we're back tonight. We're actually having a ride over to Don's Garage to go see Matt and Wild Bill, who are once again working on the Beetle. And I've got the intake manifold that you guys watched me repair in the last video, which I believe was last night that I put that up. And tonight he's going to try to install it. We're going to see if my cuts are accurate, and I'm pretty sure they are. Because when I compared the intake manifold that I cut to a vintage Weber intake manifold, I was quite surprised that not only were my cuts good, but the length of that tube on the, what would be the left-hand side, was actually identical. So that worked out quite well. What is all these cars back here? I'd show you guys, but I don't think there's enough headlight here. There's just all kinds of weird cars and stuff I've never seen here before. Alright, well anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, pluck the little dingle belly you see down there next to the subscribe button, and we get updates every time I upload a new video. And don't forget, Duckman Cycles VW Garage up on the Facebook group page, and Duckman Cycles at duckshit.net if you'd like to email me. Thanks so much, you guys. We'll see you in a minute. Check it out, Matt. What you think of that?
Hey, man, that was killer.
You like that?
Yeah.
You notice the color of it changed.
Yeah.
I sandblasted to make it look nice. So I don't know if you want to paint it or anything, but
yeah. Either
it's funny on either side of it.
Yeah, double smokies. Need a couple of screens, and you're good. Yeah, I notched that out.
Yeah. It's a notch back now.
Something I didn't cover in the last video, but yeah, I remembered you had a distributor bolt clear on there. Yeah, see? Notched out a little chunk out of that, so it should clear the distributor.
Yeah, the distributor bolt that holds the distributor down, the nut and the stud sticking up was... This thing was riding up on it, but yeah.
It should clear it now. I didn't want to take too much meat off of it either. I wanted you to still have as much of that tang as possible. If not, it's going to be angled ground and a device over there. You can take a little more off of it. And I didn't show this on video, but this is Don's Delorto carburetor. He and I were having a conversation about these things, and he had a hole in the bottom of it. It looked like somebody drilled it with an 1/8" drill bit, and he wanted it filled. So I used some aluminum weld. Started to weld it, and I wish I got that on video because the propane torch actually blew a hole in it. So I don't know what kind of alloy this is made from. You know, aluminum melts at 1200 degrees.
Tinfoil.
And I don't even know if a propane torch can melt tinfoil that easily, but this thing melted. Aluminum weld melts at 700 degrees. Aluminum weld melts at 1200 degrees. And that sucker burned a hole right through it about the size of a dime. So I had to very, very carefully melting the aluminum weld only and blobbing it on. And then finally grinding it down, I made a little plug for it. So anyway, I put that on his workbench for him. He's going to owe me a hand job for that one.
Whoa!
Let's see what you got. What's in that bag?
What's in that bag?
Oh, your carburetor's sitting there. Okay.
Are we still going to have to secure the bicycle?
The plastic
outside of the cable to keep it from riding back and forth.
Outer wire?
Yeah.
That's the way it is on the bike. It's force-feeded in there, you know.
Then it's held in by the
and a Volkswagen it's kept taut, so as long as you're covering that transmission where it's sawing in the top of the transmission, I don't think you're going to have that issue anymore. Good, slap it in there. Let's see what you got.
That was funny.
Well, you know, I noticed that the last time we worked on it.
Remember that covering was too far out.
I'm about to steal your dinner.
And the throttle...
I'm smelling that shit in here.
Yeah. On the carburetor end of it, when you pull it all the way forward, the cable run needs to be trimmed back a little bit.
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
About a half an inch or so.
Let's see what he's got here. Want to get a little video of this?
Yeah, look, I mean, that's perfect.
Yeah? Did it clear your distributor okay?
Oh, yeah.
You're not perfect.
So a little spacer in there?
No, you're not perfect. You got to slide it over to the left.
You don't have to put a spacer in there, maybe?
Spacer on what?
You're right there.
I can't see anything. Your head's in the way. Yeah, it should be right there. Looks like you about got it. Yeah, that's it. And the end casting on that end is a little gap, but the rubber will make the difference up on that.
Yeah.
Because the way that made, Blade's made it short, and it's not meant to go inside like the stock manifold.
Wouldn't go in there anyway.
Yeah, only stock manifolds do that apparently. All right, I think that's gonna do it.
Yeah.
Start bolting that shit in. Yeah, I wasn't sure if you wanted to paint it or not either.
Nah. I kind of like a bear like that.
I don't know if it'll stay that way. It might start to rust on you. With that kind of face, I guess you want it to look a little different.
I don't mind.
Get a little color on there, okay. What's happening, Don?
What's up, Don?
Wait until you find out what you owe me.
What do I owe you?
You'll find out in a minute.
Might not be a good time to be telling me what I owe you.
Oh, why is that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mr. Don back here.
Yeah, these were on Cyber Monday at $10 a piece.
Really?
Oh. Oh, you fixed it?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
I blew a hole in it first, though.
You're gonna have to teach me how to do this kind of welding.
No, not the way he's going.
No, this alloy, whatever this is made from, it melted with a propane torch, and I blew that hole to the size of a dime. I really f***ed it up.
What'd you fill it with?
You filled it with AlumiWeld, which is a zinc aluminum alloy. It melted about 700 degrees, but this stuff was melting at a lower temperature than that. So I ended up melting the AlumiWeld and dabbing it on as quickly as I could.
Lead melts at 700.
It looks solid as a rock
a little hotter
now.
than that. Yeah, a little hotter than that.
I bet that's not gonna leak.
No, I don't think it'll leak at all, and I polished it down a little bit. You lost your serial number a little bit, but it burnt it off. So.
Oh no. So, what kind of rod did you say that was?
It's AlumiWeld. You can actually get it from these guys.
Really?
Yep, or you can click on my Amazon link in the bottom of this video and order some for yourself. That's it. I get a quarter every time you guys buy it, so come on, help us out.
What I owe you?
What do you owe me? Oh, we talked about it before. I don't know if I got it on video. Yeah, I did get it on video.
What?
You owe me a handy.
A handy what? A handy white?
Yeah, something like that.
Might need a handy white.
Maybe when you're,
it after.
yeah, when you're done, right? Him laughing over there.
Turn that thing off.
No, this is making money right here.
Making money.
Making money. This is my money maker. I'm shaking my money maker, shaking my money maker. 1 hour later, Matt's still here, not got this installed yet. I don't know what's going on here, Matt. What's taking so long? Oh, that's what it was. I understand now. Okay. Well, you're busy.
Come back in 30 seconds.
That keeps you occupied. 30 seconds? It takes you that long? Man, give or take 29 seconds for me. Alright, we've got that manifold in there, and check that out. That cable is now passing directly through the Y where it's supposed to be. And down below here, and you can see it, it clears that distributor bolt where I machined that notch out of it. So that worked out real nicely. Should be good to go. Let's start it up. Yeah, I think that turned out quite well. It's right where it needs to be now.
Yeah.
That worked out very, very well. That Chinese manufactured EMPI manifold, it wasn't made properly. It's just that was wrong. That was wrong. Anyway, problem solved. Let's see what happens next. Alright, we got our throttle cable put in here. I think we got the linkage set up properly. I had to put a little extra return spring on there because it just doesn't want to close. But let's see what you got there, Matt. Alright, open all the way. And it's back, and it auto-returned. Yep, looks like it's working like it's supposed to. Almost caught my fingers in it. That would have been bad. I think you're good. Let's start it up. It's not too late.
You're missing some parts.
That's what she said. And I told her it was just cold out.
The wall, look at the end.
There we go. It'll run now.
All right, it is.
You're going to have to round up all your little Allen keys and shit that are all floating around here and put that all back together.
I see a wall
But
sticking out there.
that linkage was a bear, but we got it. I think you're good. What do you think, Bill?
I think we need to put wires on it.
Wires. Are we going to start it up tonight?
Well, what time is it?
Late. It's got to be after 9, right?
Well, let's see if we can get it.
But you do have the big old muff on it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a fan of a big muff.
We won't
Are you a fan of a big muff?
Wow.
Bill remembers the days of the big muffs.
It's all bare now.
It's all bare necessity.
Yeah, that all disappeared in the mid to late 90s. When all the
Thanks
girls
to
wanted to look
porn.
like porn stars. Right, exactly right. No one wanted to look like porn stars.
With the little mustache thing, you know.
A little mustache? A Hitler?
I don't know about
A
that.
little Hitler mustache down
No,
there?
I ain't gonna go
No,
there.
ain't gonna go. I went there.
I know. What in the cornbread hell is going on here?
Cornbread. Ain't nothing wrong with cornbread.
I know. Cornbread hell, though.
Cornbread, hell. What you got there, Bill? Did you paint your distributor cap?
I'm looking for number.
You did? Sometimes that causes a problem. You might be lucky if it didn't. Yay. It looks crooked. Might just be me, but yeah, it looks like it's on there crooked.
What?
Distributor cap.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's the shadow.
Shadow?
Straight just wants to be number one.
Uh-oh. Number one's already over there.
All right. Number one.
Yeah, 1 and 2 right there. Oh,
Okay,
man.
there's 3. 1, 4, 3.
There's one summer I went over to Rudy's house, and he was always trying to get engines started, just coincidentally, every time I showed up. Every single time, he just couldn't figure these things out. I don't know what the hell's wrong. It's getting a spark. It's getting gas. It just doesn't want to fire. I looked at the spark plug wires, and I said, I think they're wrong. Well, fix them, he says to me. So I switched the wires around, and he turns that key, and the thing started right up. And he's just like, damn it, I've been working on it all day. So 20 minutes later, he's trying to get it started, and it's not starting again. And I look at it again, and I said, those wires were different a minute ago. What did you do? Oh, nothing. He put the wires on the wrong spots on the cap. He was playing with them.
Ah, shit.
They were fine minutes before, and he messed them up. Well, I'm going to shut the camera off because we're running out of battery time. So if we get this thing started, though, we're going to fire it up.
I think. I'm like, God damn, that's hard.
That's what she said. How's it feel in the car when you step on it?
Hold on, let me press on.
Does it feel like really stiff, like unbearably stiff or anything?
It's pretty stiff. You want to feel it?
That's what she said.
As soon as those words came out of my mouth, I was like, come on.
Well, at least it didn't come into your mouth. Oh!
You want me to hit the gas at all or no?
Well, we've already hit it a couple of times.
Okay.
Okay, crank her over.
Bloop. You think you got a vacuum leak in there? Sound like you had a little run on. Yeah.
We got a little leak right here, a fuel leak.
Oh, drippy drippy? I guess there's worse things to have.
But don't over-tighten.
Well, anyway, I think we're going to wrap this video up because guess what? The battery's dying. So please like, comment, subscribe, pluck the little dingle bell you see down there next to the subscribe button. That way you get updates every time you upload a new video. Check out Wild Bill's YouTube page. I'm waiting for you to say something. Thank you. Make sure you check out his page, subscribe to him. I've been telling him to get more videos up, so find his channel there and comment on his stuff and tell him to post more videos. You guys got to do it.
I gotta fix Rusty first.
That's it. That will be a video. We need to do that and do another follow-up on his bus, which is had that little problem with the fire there. Anyways, we'll be back next time, but I think it's a pretty good update for today, so thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. He'll probably bottom out. Oh.
Disappearing into the dark.
Yep. It's the first time driving it, isn't it?
First time it's moved in 3 months.
Anyway, boy, is my camera lens all dusty. Oh, God.
I don't know what he ran over with that.
Everything.
I was hoping it wasn't the engine.
It bent the license plate back into the front, though.
Almost want the idle.
Yeah. I think once
Actually,
it warms
it
up-
is chugging.
Yeah.
What kind of cam is in there?
Just an Engel 110.
110? Okay,
Yeah.
it's not like a 120 or
No,
something
no,
then.
no.
No, it's not pork
I
chopping.
don't think it's a 120. I have to.
That throttle cable and spring.
Yep.
That feels fine.
Feels okay?
Does it?
Yeah.
You get used to it. When we can lube it too, you know.
Yeah.
Just put
Yeah.
some lube in there.
I'll get some movement.
It's also got a stiff
Excited,
cable
man?
in it.
Drove it for first
I
time.
am.
How long? How
Yeah.
long? How long?
It's been a while.
Oh my god.
How about all that power? Did you feel the power?
Oh, yeah.
Did it feel a little different, did it?
No.
No?
It is different. It's moving.
Yes.
And this thing's still recording even with a dead battery. I don't believe it.
Well, it might not be recording. You know?
No, it's recording. I can see it.
Good.
Yeah, it's going.
All right. Well, that's about all we can do tonight.
That's it. We're going to wrap it up.
Get the engine all nice and warmed up and check for intake leaks. And
Get that carburetor adjusted.
yeah,
Good to go, huh?
yeah. And do a little fuel air mixture, tinkering around.
Doing donuts
Dinker.
in Don's backyard in no time.
Hell yeah.
Check the timing again.
I love that. Check
Make sure
timing.
it's that
Gotta
time.
check the timing.
Gotta check the
That's it. It's always the timing on these things, you know.
timing on everything.